Okay, so today we are going to see actions. So you can follow directly these class notes or this workbook, or you can go to our regular class notes also. You can go to this tableau notes and you can go to actions and you can see. But here I have not updated any screenshots with sheets like that. So you can go to you can follow this class notes. So what is the meaning of actions? So actions is one of the functionality provided in the Tableau. So using actions, we can achieve some more requirements in Tableau. So what is the meaning of action? Means like, for example, in the actions, we will be having always source and target. Okay. So in the actions, we will be having always source and target. So source is always sheet only, but the target is varies based on your requirement. So for example, assume that if you want to filter the data in the target sheet based on the source sheet, right? Then that is called a filter action. So in this case, target is a sheet, source also a sheet. And we have one more type of action which is called a URL action. So what is the meaning of URL action? Means when you click on the source sheet, right? It will be navigating to a particular URL what you will provide using actions. And we have one more type of action that is called a go to sheet action. So that is nothing but navigating to other sheets. So for example, using go to sheet action, right, what we can do is you can simply click on a source sheet, and once you click on the source sheet, right, then it will be navigating to a particular sheet or a particular dashboard which you provide while creating actions. Okay. And one more type of action is like nothing but change parameter values action. So what is the meaning of it is like I created a parameter initially with some value. Now when you click on the source sheet, I want to change this parameter value based on the source sheet selection. So that is nothing but change parameter values action. And we have one more type of action which is called change set values action. So initially I have created a set here with some values, and I want to change these set values based on the values what is selected in the source sheet. So that is nothing but a changing set values action. Okay, so mainly we have filter action, highlight action, go to sheet action, go to URL action, and parameter change parameter values action and change set values action. So first we will see how to achieve the filter action. So just remember one thing: source is always sheet, but the target is varies based on your requirement. Okay. Now, if you see here one example here, so here, so sheet one is a source sheet, and we can have multiple target sheets here. So for example, as you got sheet two of two, and sheet 152. All these are the target sheets. So what I will do here is I come to source sheet, and when I click on the 2018, then what will happen is I can filter the data in the all the target sheets to show the 2018 sales only, 2018 data only. So let me repeat one more time. For example, in the target sheet 452, what is the total sales value? For example, 22 lakhs. And when I click on the source sheet 2018, then what will happen is in the target sheets, this sales will be now will shown only for the 2018 only. So in that way, when you click on the source sheet, the target sheets will filter will show the data that is corresponding to 2018 only. And one more example is like when you click on the source sheet 2020 here, all the target sheets will be filtered to show the data only 2020 data. Okay, so to show here, for example, you see in the target sheet, the total sales is 22 lakhs. When I click on 2019 header or on a bar, let's see what will happen. Now you see my all target sheets are showing the corresponding data, which is showing 2019 data only. So here I can see 2019 sales, 2019 profit, 2019 quantity, 2019 customers, and of course like that. And in the target sheet 2 also, now my furniture is showing only 2019 data like that. Okay. So let me show you this in action. Also how to do this. And what one more thing is like when you uncheck this, right? When you click on 2019, all the target sheets will show the only 2019 data. And once you uncheck this, right, when you unselect this 2019, again all the target sheets will show the entire data. So maybe it is clear when we go to a particular example here. So let me create a source sheet here. So the source sheet may be like just create a order date, and here just drag the cells to the text here. So it is a source sheet. So let me make it as a source sheet as well. Source sheet. And we can create multiple target sheets. But so just let me drag sales here, profit. So like that, we can create as many measures as you want. You can put all the measures into this here. So it is a like target sheet. So target, and create one more target sheets like 66. So in this, maybe you can see like a region wise sales. So it is not important that what type of chart you are using. So what is the maybe type of chart? Still you can filter the data in the target sheets. Okay, I created 64, 65, 66 sheets. So let's create a dashboard and drag the source sheet, which is sheet 64, and drag the target sheets like 65 and 66. Okay. So I'm just making it entire view, entire view. Okay. So so let's sheet 64 also a entire view, maybe entire view or fit with. Okay. So once you place the sources and targets, it's in a dashboard, right? Now when you click on the 2019, right, source sheet, nothing is happening in the target sheets. So there is nothing is happening in the target sheets. Why? Because we just placed the sheets in the dashboard only. We are not applying actions here. So to apply the actions, right, I can simply go to dashboard option here, go to actions, and when you click, a window will be opened here. So when you click on the add action here, so I can see all type of actions here. So like filter action, highlight action, go to URL action, go to sheet action, change parameter values, change set values action. I can see all the actions here. What is my requirement is I want to filter the data in the target sheets, right? So that is nothing but it is a requirement to filter the data. So I can simply click on the filter option. So here I can select source sheets and I can select target sheets here. Okay. So what is my source sheet is 64. So like just select this 64 sheet here. And okay, let me tell you. So under source sheets, we have to select a sheets here. So for example, from this drop down, you can select a dashboard here or a particular sheet also here. So here I have selected dashboard 3 here, and under dashboard 3, I have 64, 65, 66 sheets. So this is nothing but source sheet. And on the same source sheet side, we have three more options are there: over action, select action, and menu action. So as of now, I'm just selecting the select option. So I'll tell you discuss about the other two also a bit later. So as of now, I'm selecting the select option on the source side. And on the target side, I'm selecting the same dashboard 3 here. And in the dashboard 3, I am selecting 65 and 66, which are the target sheets. And on the target side also, here we have three more options are there: keep filtered values, show all values, and exclude all values. We'll discuss one by one. As of now, click on the show all values option. Okay, very simple. Just give the action some name here. Maybe let it filter one only. And while giving the name of the action, right, so you can type manually here, or you can go to insert option and you can add some fields also here. Okay, in that way it will be dynamic actually. So we'll see that bit later. And we have to select the source sheet. Under source sheet, I have selected sheet 64, and on the source side, I have selected select action. And under target sheets, I have selected 65, 66, and I have selected show all values option. So it is nothing but clearing the selection will show all values in the target sheets. Okay, we'll discuss that bit later. Just click on OK. Now you see what is the filter name we have given, filter one, right? So that you can see here. And run on, you can see select action. And the source side, we have selected select, right? So that is showing here. And you can see like some other things here. Let's forget about that one and just simply click on OK. Now you see when you click on the 2019 here, now we see the target sheets are showing the data which is corresponding to the 2019 only here. Okay. And when you click on the 2020 here, now we see all the target sheets are showing the data which is correspond to the 2020 only. Okay. If you want to confirm that, see for profit is 72,000 for 2020 here. When you uncheck 2020 or when you unselect, and you see now profit is showing for all the years. So this is nothing but a filter action. Based on the action what we perform on the source sheet, the target sheet will filter the data according to the values we select in the source sheet. Okay, so this is one of the option you can apply here. Like you can go to actions and you can apply all the things what we have just seen. But what is the other simplest method is? What is the other simplest method is? You can simply click on the source sheet, and here you are seeing some options here, right? So in that one, the third one is nothing but filter action. So instead of repeating all this procedure, you can directly click on this symbol also. That also will work. So let me show you that one. Just go to dashboard and just click on the actions. So we have created this action, right? Simply click on this action and just remove this action and just click on OK. That is nothing but we have removed our action what we have created now. So now what will happen when you click on the 2020, you see the target sheets are not showing, not changing the data. Why? Because we removed the filter action. Now to apply the filter action, simply what is the other simplest method what I told you is click on the source sheet. Now simply click on this symbol. For now, it is a filter symbol, not filled here. Now when you click on this symbol, now you see it is appearing in a white color. That means actions will be applied now. Now when you click on the 2020 in the source sheet, now you see target sheets are changing their data to show only 2020 data, like that. So if you want to apply, if you want to select multiple years, right, you can simply press the control here and simply select 2020 and 2021. Now you see target sheets will show the data 2020 and 2021 corresponding to 2020 plus 2021 data. So it is one of the simplest method. But what is the disadvantage? What is the limitation with this method is when you click on this button, right? All the sheets, this the same filtering action will be applicable for all the sheets in the dashboard. For example, I have 10 sheets in the dashboard. Now when I click on the source sheet, all the 10 sheets will show the corresponding data corresponding to 2020. So that is a limitation here. So for that, what we do, we can directly go to actions and we can simply apply actions here. Now you see this is also a generating actions here. If you want, you can modify, simply just click on the edit option here. You can unselect some values here. You can select manually target sheets. Okay. Now we just have seen on the source side we have selected select option, and the target side we have selected show all values action. Now on the source side we will select a hover action and we'll see what will happen. Hover means just click on OK. So what is the meaning of hover means? No need to click on a 2020 here. On the source side, no need to click. Simply hover your mouse on the 2020. Now you see target sheets are automatically changing their values. Okay, so that is nothing but hover action. No need to click here. In the select action, we have to simply select. You have to click on the 2020. But in the hover action, no need to click here. Simply hover your mouse on the particular value. Automatically target sheets will change the data or filter the data. Okay, that is nothing but hover action. And we have one more type of action, which is called just click on and just click on edit. And we have one more type of action in the source side, that is nothing but a menu action. And we'll see what is the meaning of menu action here. Menu action means when you click on a particular 2020, right? Now a window will appear like this. Then whenever you click on this filter one generated, right? Then only target sheet will change the data here. Otherwise, it won't filter the data. So that is nothing but a menu action. So when you click on 2021, right? Nothing will happen actually. But menu action is nothing but we have to click on this menu button like filter one generated, like that. So then only the target sheet will filter the data. Okay, so that is nothing but menu action. So based on the requirement, we can use any type of action here on the source side and target side, but most of the time we will be using select option only. And now we will see what are the options that are available in the target side. So till now we have seen show all values option, right? Now let's see what will happen when you click on the exclude all values option. Okay. So exclude all values means when I click on the 2020 on the source sheet, target sheets will filter the data or show the data corresponding to 2020 year only. But when you unselect 2020, now you see target sheets will disappear. Uh, we don't see any data in the target sheets. That is nothing but exclude all values in the target side. So what you can do one more thing here is the target sheets still show the titles here. So I can simply hide the titles. Just select this title sheet and uncheck the title option here. Now you see what will happen is when the user log into this dashboard, he will think that we have only one sheet in the dashboard. When the user click on the 2020, then only he will see the corresponding data in the target sheets. When he uncheck or when he unselect the source sheet, the target sheet will disappear actually. In that way, we can make it like we can hide the sheets. So one more simplest method, like you can drag the same sheet 64 into the target sheets layout container. Okay, I'm just trying to like, okay, now you see, I'm just putting all the sheets in a same container, in a horizontal container. Now source sheet is occupying the entire width here. The user don't think that he will be having few more sheets also in the same container. He don't know whether we have sheets or there or not. When he click on the 2019, then only target sheets will be shown the data. Otherwise, when you unselect this, the target sheet will be hidden. Okay, so for this to be work right, we have to put all the sheets in a same container, horizontal container or vertical container. Okay, now you see when you apply some actions, right, how you will come to know you have applied some actions means the one method is you can go to dashboard, you can come to actions here. Now you can see some actions are applied here. Okay, when you click on edit here, you can simply see that sheet 64 is selected here. So in real time we can select multiple source sheets and multiple target sheets also. Okay, but is not a problem. And one more method to show that we have applied actions on a particular sheet, right? When you click on the target sheet like 665, when you go to this target sheet, right? Inside the filter shelf, you can see some action button here, like action filter here. Okay, like that. When you just remove that action filter, then the action will be removed and it will show the data in the target sheets. Now when you click on 2019 again, then the target sheet will show the date 2019 only. And when you uncheck this again, the actions will be applied again. Okay. So this is nothing but this one. So I just listed here everything here. On the source sheet side, we have over action, select action, menu action. And on the target side, we have key filter values, show all values and exclude all values. We'll see what is the meaning of key filtered values option. So keep filtered values option is nothing but just I'm just trying to modify the same thing here. Edit, just select keep all filtered values in the target side. Let's see what will happen. When you click on the 2019, right? Target sheets will show the 2019 data only, and keep filtered values is nothing but when you unselect 2019 here, the target sheets still show the 2019 data only. When you click on the 2020, target sheets will show the 2020 data. And when you uncheck 2020, target sheets will still show the 2020 data only. Like that. When you click on 2022, target sheets are showing 2020 data here. And when you uncheck right, still target sheets will show the 2022 data only. So that is nothing but keep filtered values on the target side. Okay, now just you can practice by seeing this like that. And we have highlight actions. Highlight action we don't use that in real time much here. The highlight action is nothing but You see, for example, when I click on the January and the source sheet, sheet 3, I just try to tell you, okay, it's not happening. Okay, highlight actions. Okay, I'll simply tell you what is the meaning of highlight action. So when you click on a particular source sheet, right, target sheet will highlight the corresponding data. They will highlight the corresponding data. Okay, let me show you a bit in Q. So what will happen? Okay, so uh, I'm just going to this target sheet here. Okay, just apply order date. For simplicity, I'm just taking the order date into the here also. Okay, now go to dashboard 3. Now what I'll do, I'll simply remove the actions what I apply here. Just remove the existing action. Go to add action and just select the highlight action. Source sheet is sheet 64. Target sheets are sheet 66 or 65. You can select all fields here. Just click on OK. Now you see, when I click on the 2019, you see corresponding data is highlighted in the target sheet in yellow color like that. So that is nothing but a highlight action. Now, now let's, if you go down right, then, so this is sheet 15 watt, just exclude all values. When I click on this, right, then only target sheet will be shown. When you uncheck this one, target sheet will be hidden like that.